Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is that I'm recording myself in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where somebody's doing a trade recap or talking to you with hindsight in their favor, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, then I'm confident you'll find value here in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now and I'll be back at market open. Okay, I'm watching 116.75 to get short here, but that will require the price to come back down. So again, watching 116.75 to go short, meaning I would want prices to go down in order to make money. So you heard that right. If you're a beginner, you can make money when prices go down. That is known as shorting or going short. Okay, never mind. That risk profile is now done. So I can no longer take that trade. Again, the risk profile on things changed. So DAL looks interesting though. What is that? 37. Make that alerted to the private community. Yeah, I like 37. But if this thing keeps moving up, then like Tesla, the risk profile is going to change. $116.75. Yeah. $116.75 is certainly interesting. I'll keep an eye on it. Okay, I will go ahead. I hit record, right? I've been recording. Okay, I have. All right, I'll pause for now and I'll keep you updated. All right, watching 37. I'm going to get short here at 37.10 here on Delta DAL. Again, I am short, meaning I will be making money if prices go down. So now it's just a question of, does this thing want to continue down? I was watching Tesla. Tesla was looking good too, but it was actually still going up. Still watching it off screen. It is looking good over there. But let's see if Delta wants to come down. All right, I'm taking that just because I really like Tesla, and maybe I'm going to be looking stupid here. 118. Yeah, I like 118 a whole lot here if it wants to come into play. In at 118. See if we can get this thing to come down. Throwing out a couple of bids, just to lower position size a bit. So there we go, got 100 shares out. So still could be a losing trade. Big question here is VWAP. Can it get down through that yellow line? Working on it. Okay, took off another 50 there. Okay, we're down through. Let's see if we can get some good, solid Tesla momentum. Good, good. I'm getting a bit greedy here. 150 shares left. See if this thing wants to test these lows. Could very well double bottom, but let's... Oh. Still have 100 shares left. Just really want to see if it can get some good push down through that 117 mark, but to be fair to Delta, DAL, that one worked out too. So in hindsight, didn't necessarily need to hop out because that one worked out. But in my defense, this one is also working out, which is good. Took out another 50 there. This is fantastic. Very, very good. See if we can get the move down through 116. It is pretty extended here, but we'll see what happens. Okay, there's almost 116. Got close and then bounced. So we take off 25 there. Still have 25, just in case it does want to break down through 116. But this move is getting very, very overextended here. But at this point, let's just see what happens. There is 116, big size there. Yep. All right, all out there for a $279 trade. So I'm very, very pleased with that. 9:39, so not even 10 minutes in, and I am up $321. And I say that not to brag, but as I always say, for you longtime viewers, I appreciate your support. I appreciate you hearing me say these things over and over. But they're principles that I trade by, and they're important principles because they build perspective, especially in this social media age where it is very easy to look around and say to yourself, wow, I made $320, but that person over there made $3,020. Geez, I'm not doing very well, right? And for that person, good job. I'm happy for him. But let's keep full perspective. What is full perspective? Would you go up to somebody that makes, and let's not even call it minimum wage. Let's call it $100 an hour. Let's say, would you go up to somebody that makes $100 an hour and say, I made $300. Well, with commissions, let's call it $310. I made $310 in 10 minutes. I'm not very happy about it. They would be like, wait, what? You made how much in 10 minutes? They would think you are crazy. And again, that's somebody that makes $100 an hour. Take that down to somebody that makes minimum wage or $25 an hour. They would think you are absolutely crazy, and they would be right. So my point here is this, is that if I can put $310 into my pocket in under 10 minutes, I'm going to do that all day long, and I'm going to move on with my day because this is, I always call it day trading a side hustle because I have many streams of income. So this is one of many for me. And is this going to buy me a private jet? No, but I'm not after a private jet at this point in my life. I have 5 kids. I work from home. I want to spend time with them. I want to spend time on my real estate investing, on my teaching business at claytrader.com. So in other words, I want the freedom of time. Now, if you are after the private jet or the Lamborghini, go for it. I hope you accomplish that goal. But for me, I'm not after those things. And $320 in 10 minutes is a good use of my time. Now, maybe it's not worth your time. If that's the case, I'm happy for you. But what do you do for a living where you would say, nah, 10 minutes, $310, not worth my time? Again, I'm not jealous. I'm inspired by you, but what do you do that would make that not worth your time? So I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up and call it good. So again, keep perspective. Even if you only made $30 in 10 minutes, would you ever go up to somebody that makes minimum wage and complain about making $30 in 10 minutes? Of course you wouldn't, because that would make you sound like a detached, greedy savage. So keep perspective. It matters. So if you enjoy these live trade videos, do a couple things for me. Hit the like button, leave a simple comment below. Everybody, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use.
But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.